This is Nick with Build Brothers Roofing and Solar. Started my digital inspection at 6206 Falmouth Drive. We are on top of an architectural asphalt shingle roof. I want to point a few things out on this roof. Obviously, we can see how much granule loss we have on this product. So first things first, this is the biggest sign that the product has gone well past its life expectancy is when we get to see how shiny this roof is. All that shininess is the fiberglass showing through. So what's happening right now is the oils on this asphalt shingle material have started to evaporate. So as those oils evaporate, the granules will end up depleting off the roof. And then whenever it rains, they will end up in the gutters just like this. Those are all the granules. Or they'll end up on the floor, as I'm sure the previous homeowner had noticed as well. But once that fiberglass is exposed, the waterproofing is now greatly affected. You can also see how the adhesiveness on this shingle product has started to weaken as well. So when the adhesiveness starts to weaken as well, obviously water and debris, water can be pushed underneath this product. You can see how all the water marks already. So water's already coming underneath it. And once that starts to occur, it's a recipe for leaks at this point. We've got some door vents on this roof. We're gonna be swapping those out with O'Hagan exhaust vents as well. You'll also notice that the majority of the penetrations have had a bunch of repairs done to them. A lot of them just have a bunch of mastic that's been smeared over them, just like this. Same thing over here as well. You can see this throughout. And typically when we start to see a lot of mastic applied to these roofs, it's a telltale sign that it is aged, that there has been work done on it, and it's time to replace. So you can see all the sealant around this portion has worn through as well. We've got some exposed nail heads that were sealed off before, but all that sealant has completely worn through. So we're gonna go ahead and suggest a full tear off on this roof. With that tear off, we're gonna get down to the wood decking, okay? So once we get down to the wood decking, we're gonna be able to address any kind of bad wood that is on this home. Wood repair is always that unknown variable. We never know how much wood is gonna need to be replaced until we tear this roof off. Once that wood is replaced, we're gonna be replacing the current felt underlayment that is on this roof with a layer of synthetic underlayment. We're an Owens Corning preferred contractor, so that synthetic underlayment is part of their 50-year manufacturer warranty. That goes along with our lifetime workmanship warranty. Also want to mention that the guys that are installing this roof will be our own employees. We do not sub out our roofing crews or our solar crews. We do everything in-house. So once that synthetic underlayment is installed, brand new drip edge will be installed along the perimeter of the roof. Drip edge is this piece of metal. Helps protect the fascia from getting damaged from water, as that water will run off that drip edge instead. We'll add brand new starter shingle along the entire perimeter as well. We'll swap out those dormer vents with O'Hagan exhaust vents, which are flat, low profile exhaust ventilation systems. And then we'll go ahead and install the architectural shingle. At that point, this homeowner will have a new roof that comes with a 50-year manufacturer warranty from Owens Corning, and that will also come with a lifetime workmanship warranty from us. That is it for my inspection.